In this video, I'm going to show you a website, or I should say a web browser, that will automate any generic tasks and do it for you. It's a web browser that supposedly automates everything using these little AI assistants or AI helpers, and they're trying to defeat Claude. They're basically trying to get after one of the best AIs, in my opinion, which is Claude. And let's actually discover what all of this is about. So once you go into their page and you hit download or download here for Mac, you will log in and you will see something like this. Boom, this is the interface. It looks something like GPT, I would say. And before I actually get into the real stuff, inside my community, I have a 14-day free course on AI automation with a bunch of other stuff like AI agents or every AI tool, anything from GPT to Claude to Perplexity, and how to sell AI, how to basically make money, and how to connect with actually automators. So if you're interested in that, it's in the link below. And let's continue with the video. So what I will do in this video is just show you how this site works. We're on the free plan. So how to do it? You can either chat with the assistant or you can actually straight up go to a task, okay? I think we should straight up go to a task. So I will say, create me a 10 video. So I have said, create me a 10 video ideas and make them into a new Google Sheet. I have sent it. We're on this smart mode, I would say. We can either be smart or fast. I'm choosing the smart one. So now you can see what it actually does. This is the thought process. You can see it thought, it read the skill, spreadsheet, reading skill, market best practices, blah, 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 blah. Now it will go into Google Sheet. If you have not used this at all, it will pop up with the login, or, it needs some credentials. Then it will ask you for the permission. I have written that I want this to be like a second one. So I've just added this too. And now it is done. As you can see, it is success. And if we go to spreadsheet, so actually we go to Google Sheet, my bad. Google Sheet wants to access your current location. No, I don't want that. If we go here, we can see that we have it right here. And boom, we have 10 content ideas. It doesn't really look formatted, but it has done it on its own, right? I've actually created it or tested this previously, and it has created a little bit like better outcome. I will show you the process, how I actually texted with it. So let me see if I can find the, no, not this, if I can find the chat. Yeah, it is here. So yeah, you can see, firstly I asked, give me suggestion for how I can use Strawberry. Then I said, create videos ideas for my YouTube channel that is about AI. So it has basically gave me all of this, and then I just made it into or it has actually made it into a Google Sheet. So pretty cool. Now let's actually ask it something else. So write me a post into my community that says this. And let's see if it actually manages to do that. We should see after it has, or after it will be inside school, it should open up here. Okay, I can post this into FutureMinds AI. Should I keep the wording exactly? Yes, keep it exactly like this. And I want to show you how it actually works in real time if I will be quick enough. Opening FutureMinds AI. So go to tab, we can actually see how it works. And we're inside the community. And you can see how the AI agent is actually working. This is crazy. I'm not doing anything. This is my mouse. And the AI agent is right here. Boom. It has written exactly what I have wanted it to write. And let's see if it actually fails or no. Will it post it or no? This is my question. Okay. You must select a category. Will it be smart enough? Let's see, because this is still a beta version, obviously. So don't show again. Okay, so it failed, in my opinion. So which category should I use? Oh, okay, it didn't fail. Okay. So let's see. Use chat. Boom, use chat. Let's see. Okay, it's here. Chat, click it and post it. Let's get it, post it. Okay, this is in my opinion genuinely crazy, because with this browser you don't have to really do any manual work, as you can see, right? Let's go to LinkedIn right now. Let's try to go to LinkedIn. Okay, so log into LinkedIn. Okay, let's say log into my LinkedIn. It will obviously ask for permission, so I will have to give it the credentials, I would say. But as you can see, it has genuinely posted a automated post on my school community, which is crazy. Okay, so allow Strawberry to find, no, we don't want that. So open LinkedIn so I can sign into it. Okay, let's see, LinkedIn, boom, let's go right here. Let's actually sign in. Wait, this is already signed. Wait. How did it already sign into my LinkedIn without me giving it permission? It's genuinely crazy, guys. This is where AI actually gets a bit scary, but okay, whatever, right? And I think we're here. Yeah, it has, you can see it says hi load. We're receiving a lot of requests right now. Please try again in a moment. Okay. But let's say write me a personal DM to some random connection I have. And okay, so I said write me a personal DM to some random connection I have and give them a free sign in into my 14-day course on AI automation with this link. I'll just say on LinkedIn and let's actually see what it does, okay? Okay, so basically it is asking, can I help you with that, but I need to avoid sending an unsolicited message to the wrong person. Would you like me to choose one active connection who appears relevant to AI business automation? Then prepare this short DM for approval before sending it. Yeah, yes, do that, please. So now it will choose, basically, it will choose a person for me that it will outreach to based on if it is actually, or if the person is actually interested in AI, I guess. And it will prepare the short DM as it actually showed. So let's see what it actually does. Let me see. Okay, it goes to my connections. Now I guess it will, how it will find out what connection is the best, to be honest. That's like interesting. So let me just put a speed up version of this and let's see. It has chose this person and it says, hey Antonio, I'm giving a few people a free access to my 14-day AI automation course. This is crazy because, yeah, reply send it if you want me to send it, this exact draft to Antonio. So I will say send it. Okay, my bad. Send it. And now it should actually send the DM, right? But if I said like write 100 DMs into for 100 random people, just choose whoever you want, I would genuinely have 100 sent DMs. This is crazy, guys. So this is the power of this tool. I will do some tests with it 100% because I really like it. Like as you can tell, I really like this tool because it basically does the boring work for me, and we're going to definitely test it in the future videos. So let's see how this tool actually evolves. There are some plans. Let's actually look at them. I'm not sure if I will wait, let's actually, are they here somewhere? I'm not sure. So you know what? I'm not sure. Let's actually ask it again. Go to the strawberry plan section. I wanna choose a plan. Boom. So yep, it should actually open the strawberry page and direct us strictly to the plan. So working in tab strawberry, we can just go here or open the plans option here. We can see that the credits remaining on are this much, which is in my opinion a lot. We only used 143 credits, as you can see. So this is awesome because, you know, we have done quite a few tests. I've tested it also on my own and we are still only, you know, 143 credits deep into this. So it's pretty cool. If we upgrade the plan, you can see that if we have monthly, we can choose for just $20 per month, and we can get 8,000 credits, which is in my opinion crazy. Then we have some other plans, obviously. So yeah, guys, I really like this tool. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want to learn all of these new AI tools that are coming in every single day, you can join my community, FutureMinds AI, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.